Hey there, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing awesome. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how I edit my YouTube video thumbnail. By the way, what is a YouTube video thumbnail? YouTube thumbnails are the book covers of the online video world. Our decision whether to click on a video often comes down to its thumbnail. An eye-catching image draws us in, while a boring or blurry one puts us off. So what does it take to create a thumbnail that seals the deal? So now I'm gonna show you how I edit my YouTube thumbnail using a PicsArt. If you are using an iPhone, you can basically download the PicsArt in your Apple Store. So you just have to type in PicsArt. Okay, and then you just have to download it, and for this time I actually have downloaded on my phone. So I'm gonna click that icon. Just remember the photo of or the logo of the PicsArt. And then once you're on the PicsArt, I actually choose a plain background, and for this thumbnail I'm gonna choose color blue because that's normally what my background is if I'm doing like all about YouTube tutorials or tips. Since we have to put it on the size of a YouTube thumbnail, so in PicsArt you can easily choose YouTube background size. Now I'm gonna add a photo, and since I'll be showing a tutorial on how to edit a YouTube video thumbnail, so then I prefer to put a YouTube logo. For this one, it has actually a background of a white color, so I'm gonna crop that name and the logo of YouTube so it would appear that it doesn't have any white background, but purely the one would be the color blue or the chosen color of the background. Now here we go. So what I'm gonna do next is I wanna put my photo on this thumbnail so that viewers would be able to recognize me. And then this time I have a saved cutouts of my photo, so I'll just have to download it, and once it's downloaded, I normally put an outline or a border, and I always use white border, but this time I prefer to use a red border, and then just have to move it sideways like that. Alright, now I'm gonna add some text which would actually be the content of my video. So I'm gonna type how to create. Okay, and then at this point I can actually choose the font that I prefer for this how to create word. So I can also I'm actually putting an outline on the text, and then just a bit of shadow to highlight the word. Now you can actually adjust the shadow and outline of the text. Alright, now we're done with that. So now how to create YouTube. So I'm gonna add video because I want to show that I'll be creating a thumbnail for my YouTube video. So it would be the same procedure. I'll be using the same font with what I've used with the word how to create, and then just have to add the thumbnail word. But this time I'm gonna change the color for the thumbnail word video guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again next time guys for my other YouTube tips and tutorial. Have an awesome day. Bye!